What's the meaning of avatar? Avatar. Avatar.
Avatar. Avatar. An avatar is a graphical representation of a user or person in virtual reality or online contexts. It takes the form of an animated 3D model, often resembling a human, which can be customized to display unique traits and characteristics. Avatars are widely used in video games, social media, and online chat rooms to represent the user and interact with others. They provide a sense of identity and personalization in virtual spaces, allowing users to express themselves beyond their physical appearance. Overall, avatars are an important aspect of digital communication and immersion.